How to save photos as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. And then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Here, choose the folder you want to save the photo to and tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder to just save the photo to. Over here, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Tap on Select. Select the photo you saved and then tap on the three dots below. Here, select Create PDF. Now, open the new file as shown. Tap on the arrow down button at the top. As you can see, this photo is in the PDF format. Following these steps, you can easily save photo as PDF on iPhone.